All right, mates, welcome back. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's had a great weekend. We are going to talk some Chainlink here. Welcome all Cryptoballers, all Oracle disciples, everybody in the crypto-verse. Kind of catching up on some of the altcoins. Consensus pretty much is altcoin season is pretty much upon us, coming out of the preseason. A lot of that, I think, had to do with Ethereum on Friday and its blow up, breaking it into all-time highs, holding the 2000 level this weekend, which of course is a positive development for all of the altcoins. Bitcoin's kind of still staying in its consolidation pattern, but fully expect it most likely to have a positive Monday. Given the fact it did not break down really, it's still in that 57, 59 kind of pattern set. We'll see what happens with futures this evening, going into tomorrow, equities, the global markets, and all of those things as to what we see in the early morning hours. Obviously, following the holiday, we'll see what happens in terms of Bitcoin and what influences. Dominance has been kind of coming down, and so we'll kind of see. Altcoins all had a pump, and then they had a pretty much a real backtrace, right? A real backdraft this weekend. I mean, we're looking at Link right now. Link's a prime example of what happened. I mean, Link rose all the way and upwards of 32 to $33. A lot of the DeFi did the same thing. Aave, Compound, Maker, a lot of the ones that we track pretty much had the same increase on Friday along with Ethereum. If you look at your one-day chart on Link or any of those, you'll see kind of what's happened here in this weekend. But if you go to the 5-day chart, you could see Link all the way above 33, now trading at $30. Okay, so we're off. And that was kind of a breakout for Link. We talked about that in the previous video. If we could get out of that 26 to 28 zone, break out into the 30s, but it really wasn't sustainable at this point. It was basically a product of Ethereum's rise, right? It wasn't really predicated on Chainlink technicals per se. And so now we're back in the symmetrical triangle here. You can see it really evidently here. Here I have circled basically the three support areas for Chainlink, 29, 27, basically right back down into that zone we were. We've seen this before. We've seen it here. See how it basically got to 30, came back down to 27, basically got to 30, came back down to 25. Okay, everyone was assuming on Friday that this was a basic clear direction breakout for Chainlink. Does not appear to be the case, but it is Sunday, and it's been lower volume for the most part all weekend long, and a lot of these altcoins that have been taken down from the pump on Friday. So not really sure whether or not anything's really changed then. If you kind of back that out, back Ethereum's all-time high performance Friday, Saturday, back that out into where we are we really just Friday morning back to where we were with a lot of these altcoins? A lot of them. Polkadot's the same way. Polkadot's in a dangerous territory as well, just like Chainlink. If it can't break out, fully expect Polkadot. I've expected Polkadot to break out regardless of what Bitcoin does, because it's kind of always been counterintuitive sometimes to Bitcoin, but it too is running a risk of breaking down below that $40 area. So, a lot of people have targets on Polkadot of $60. A lot of people have targets on Chainlink of $40. So, we're going to see right here. One of the things you want to pay attention to as we talk about whether it's in and out, IOMP, whether it's in whales and all of that, where our resistance is. Obviously, we've got some resistance at 32 and 34, okay, for Chainlink. But interesting development is now we know from the blockchain, from the metrics, that we've seen a 6% rise in the number of addresses that have 100,000 or more Chainlink. That would constitute a whale, okay? And most of that was done at the $27 level. So as a leverage trader, you want to look at that $27 level. We're currently trading at $30.20 on Coinbase.